Modern Senior Secondary School Patiala, established in the year 1948, is spread in lush green campus of more than 6 acres. The school has a state-of-art infrastructure with spacious classrooms enabled with smart technology for classes KG to 12. For physical development of students, the school has a football ground, a cricket ground, basketball court and volleyball court. The year 2011 turned out to be a very significant one as Modern Senior Secondary School witnessed a large number of both academic as well as co-curricular developments. A very significant start in embracing technology came with the launch of academic website eModernnet.com during the month of February 2011. The website, within a short span, has become very popular with the students as well as parents. It has many important features which includes school videos, daily classwork and homework for classes KG to +1, MCQs on interactive mode, MCQs rollback mode, virtual classroom for class 9th and 10th with special focus on students preparing for NDA Khadakwasla and PMT exams. Learning material for students with the name Teaching Gadgets is another added feature. A special corner has been given the place with the name Attention Parents and Attention Students, where students can download the daily updates of the school. Another noteworthy activity with respect to technology was the launch of computerized MCQs test for classes 6 to 10th that incorporated few features of online testing. School in the year 2011 also launched Video Reporter, a monthly video report on school that covers all academic, sports and co-curricular activities. After the launch of first video, which witnessed an overwhelming response, it has now become a permanent feature of the school website. A large number of activities, both curricular and co-curricular, were held in the school and were also covered by School Reporter. In order to instill confidence in students, both literary and co-curricular activities were undertaken, like talent search competition, Independence Day celebration, Teachers' Day celebration, declamations and speeches on Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, dance performance from Tiny Tots of Mayfair, Barbie dance and English play by middle section, folk dances like Bhangra and Gita performed by higher sections were the key highlights throughout the year. Poster making and slogan writing were also held to enhance creativity of students. Quiz titled Know Your Country also saw enormous participation. Debate on Lokpal Bill further increased the intellect of students on current events. Peace Day and Gandhi Jayanti were also celebrated. Children showcased their talent during the Gujarati folk dance Dandiya Ras and also celebrated Diwali and Christmas with full fervor. In order to keep the students fit, regular yoga sessions under Yoga Gurus were also organized. In order to make students aware about the various career opportunities, career counseling sessions were scheduled. An international session by Mr. Craig McKenzie and Wing Commander Prasad was organized for students to make them well versed with commercial aviation with special reference to training in Australia. Modern school not only concentrates on academic and intellectual development but also the physical development of students. Modern School in the year 2011 hosted the State Chess Championship. The students from Modern School also won prizes in swimming and fencing events conducted by CBSE at national level. Adding to the fervor of sports arena, golf and fencing were also introduced. School also held regular alumni meets for having interaction with alumni of Modern School and received an overwhelming response. A number of rallies were also organized in the year 2011. School band was one of the star features in these rallies. Modern School marched in an environment protection rally that supported plantation of trees by NCC cadets. An awareness rally on burning paddy crop and its ill effect on environment was also taken out. During December, school organized a rally in collaboration with Avon Cycles and Big FM supporting the theme of using bicycles instead of vehicles and protecting the environment. During the month of December, school embarked on 2 more ambitious projects. NDA Cadre was initiated for the students of class 11th and 12th who wish to join armed forces. A 5-day workshop on personality development for students from 6th to 10th was also organized during the winter vacation. The activities of year 2011 culminated with the resolve of more advancement in the coming years. Excellence is not a destination. It is a continuous journey that never ends. And we at Modern Senior Secondary School Patiala believe in giving every child an opportunity to learn, grow, develop, and reach the newer heights of excellence every day. Be proud to be a Modernite.